little bit different video. Me and Levi, we've been getting into trapping a little bit, and we bought for Christmas. Levi got he got a Duke dog-proof coon trap and then a smaller live trap.
What? Dog-proof. Dog-proof trap.
Keep your eyes closed. You got them shut hard?
Yeah.
Keep them shut. Keep them.
Yes. Finally.
We've been just setting those around the homestead. We've got tons of coons, a lot of possums. We even got coyotes and foxes and stuff. But with these traps, you're gonna mostly catch coons and possums in the Duke dog proof. And his little live trap he's got, it's more of a squirrel trap. You can catch possums or smaller coons probably. So we've been this is day 2. No, how many days we've been trapping now, Levi? You remember? It's been a couple days. We've caught 2 coons so far. Well, let's go down there and look at it. What do you think, Bubba? Okay, stay right there. Our first coon. And the Duke dog proof. See how it's got its hand stuck in there?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Awesome.
One of the reasons why we've been trapping is, well, the main reason is, one, it's just fun for me and Levi to get out in the woods. 2, there's a lot of predators. Coons are really rough on turkeys, turkey eggs, baby turkeys. That's one reason why we want to get rid of them, you know, to help, not get rid of them, but it just helps to balance out everything. Not a lot of people trap around here. I don't know anybody that traps around here. We're just trying to do our part around here. We also got chickens. You know, we haven't had any that we know of that get killed by a possum or a coon. This will help, you know, help some. And it's fun. We're going to get into the tanning hides too and stuff. So we're coming up on to our first one. And we don't have anything yet, but we'll show y'all that we can show y'all the setup. So this is our driveway, and leads up to our house. Our house is up here. Right here we have this creek that comes kind of out of this holler right here and comes down, comes under this culvert under the driveway and goes that way. We've caught 2 coons right here, but this is a really good place to put a trap because it's just a line of travel for them and, you know, us obviously, but they like, you know, junction areas. So this is a really good junction area. You have a driveway here and then a creek that runs down this way. These spots right here are really good for these types of traps. So real quick, I'll show you what we do here. This is all it is it's just a little cylinder type trap that it's got a stake in it, and you stick it in the ground, and we fill it up with dog food. You squeeze this, it has a spring back here, and you squeeze that together, and it's kind of like a mouse trap. You know, it has this little pin, a little lever thing, you put it behind that lever. Anyways, and it's spring fed, and what happens is they'll start eating this dog food out of it, and then there's a little lever, they'll grab it, and then their paw or their hand will get stuck in there. That'll close on it. It's pretty humane. And then what we have is we have a chain and we have this cable tied to this tree because they will pull that out once they're caught. And but yeah, so that's that. We'll come back tomorrow and check this one. This has been a really good spot here on this creek, and like I said, we've already caught 2 here. We caught one yesterday, and then like 2 days before that we caught one, so it may be a couple days for another coon comes in here. But yeah, so we're gonna go on and check Levi's live trap. All right, we're getting close to the other trap, and I think I can see it up there. It doesn't look like we caught anything. But we'll see if the bait's gone. you always have to approach traps like this. I kind of make sure I can see them from a pretty good ways, because I've caught quite a few skunks before, and skunks are not a huge deal, but you don't want to be sprayed by them. So the bait's still here. Use dog food as well. Here. But this is Levi's other small live trap. We haven't caught anything in it yet, but we may have trouble catching coons because it is a smaller trap, so they may not fit in it, and they could be, you know, get the bait, and then that door could fall, and then they could just get out because, you know, half their body's sticking out. But we're gonna try to catch some squirrels or whatever we can catch in it. So, but all right, Levi, you wanna go check the last one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go check it. We got us a new 22. This is just a little Davy Cricket, little single shot. It's not a bad little gun. It's perfect for this, for trapping. And you know, so Levi shot it a bunch. He really likes it. Lydia's shot it a bunch. We're excited. We haven't used it on any coons or anything yet. Here you go, Levi. Gotta watch Duke because he likes to follow us in here. And the main bait we use is dog food. Sometimes we have to tell him to get to the house, Duke. Here, that's got corn in it. I don't see that, Levi. That looks like coyote almost, but look at all that's grass in it. I don't know, it's fell over. I bet our dog Duke got into it. Looks like he has. Okay, so all the dog food's been eaten out of it almost. What do you think, Levi? You think Duke might have got into it? He didn't set it off, but they almost ate all the dog food out of it. Let's just reset it. It's already set, but a little bit of dog food in there. We might just leave it. We may be too close to the house, and Duke may be getting into it. You think?
Yeah.
I don't know. That could have been a coyote. I mean, it could have been anything big enough to not stick its paw in. So I don't know. So it's an empty haul today, but keep following along with us. I may put out more videos of just me and Levi checking traps and running traps and stuff. We don't know everything about trapping. We're just getting into it, but it's fun. So.
Oh, there's that poop.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at this. This is some old coon poop. If y'all can see that, it's been eating persimmons. That's what all these seeds are. So that's some older poop that's kind of. We may post some more videos like this of Levi checking traps, and hopefully we can get a coon and he can shoot it for his first time with his new gun. So anyways, thanks guys for watching the video, and like, subscribe if you'd like to, and we'll see you on the next one.